5T out. There's something up with the brakes. I don't know if it's the brakes or if it's the center differential, but something's making a grinding noise and the thing doesn't want to stop. I looked it over, the brake pads aren't causing it, like the metal brake pads, unless they're just worn out. That's not causing the problem, so I don't know what's causing the problem, but I don't really have brakes, and you're gonna hear a horrendous noise. So I really have no idea what's causing it, but I figure I got some ramps set up, so why not just jump it while I'm here? It's running pretty rich. You hear that when I think it's the center. Yeah, you guys can hear that. I think it's the center differential. Like it slows down on its own. I don't know exactly what the issue is, but let's just freaking jump this thing before it freaking breaks, which is what always happens with the RCs. Let's go ahead and send it. Yikes. Let's do it again. It's not flying great. That noise kind of went away, which is kind of surprising. I don't know why the noise went away all of a sudden, but for some reason the noise just went away. But the thing's not stopping great. Like that's full brake right there. Like it's still stopping, but it's not stopping great. Like, I mean, the thing will still stop. Just definitely doesn't stop great. I'm surprised I haven't broken the front bumper yet. I mean, that was a nasty fall right there. That was a very nasty tumble. This thing doesn't fly great. It doesn't take off great. I've been told it's because the springs are too light. That's like full brake, and it's not really wanting to stop. I'm gonna take it slow, and then give it some gas. May as well take it over there. Bring it back. See how long it took to brake right there? It took forever. Let's try not to hit me. That was full brakes. Let's get a launch. Ready, set, go. Bring it back up. Oh, I took out my GoPro. Well, it didn't break. Surprisingly enough, it did not break. take it up over there. I mean, it's running good. It's kind of running rich, but I mean, it's running fine. I think there's a culvert somewhere up here. Go over that. Here we go. Let's bring it back again. Seriously, it died all the way over there. I gotta walk for a while, guys. It died all the way over there.